Hello, everyone. This is Road to Success 8 SMART Goals, and welcome to Pause as Needed. So, goals can be short term, medium term, and long term. Reaching the future you have envisioned for yourself in relationships, vocationally, and financially will require you to set SMART goals. Are you smart when it comes to goals? Let's start with a goal that a lot of us have for ourselves. I want to start saving money. How do you make that goal specific? We add a dollar amount. I want to save $1,000. Make it measurable. I will save $1,100 from my paycheck every 2 weeks. That goal could be attainable by saying if I want to save $100 from each paycheck, I need to work how many hours and what else do I need to do? Make it relevant. Why is it important? If I save $1,000, I can make a down payment on a used car. Last but not least, make it time bound. What deadline do we want to give ourselves? I will save $1,000 in 6 months. You will take the time to write your own SMART goal, and you submit that goal to your facilitator. Successful people are proactive and realistic. They know there will be bumps in the road and obstacles to overcome. What roadblocks might interfere with you meeting your financial goals? One could be unexpected things happen, like a crash that can lead into the emergency room, or a sinkhole. In the best case scenario, you have what we call an emergency fund. There is a video provided for you all to watch to understand what an emergency fund is. Unfortunately, most Americans, 57%, have less than $1,000 in their savings. So with that, a lot of people turn to payday loans, which are actually financial goal traps. And these, with the fees and interest, a borrower who has $375 who borrows that from the payday loan place, and along with the fees and interest, over 5 months they can pay up to $895. Title loan is another financial goal trap. This is where to get a car title loan, you give the lender your title to your vehicle, and you agree to repay the lender in 30 days. If you're unable to pay this lender in 30 days, they can take your vehicle. These are some alternatives to payday loans. Another obstacle is teen spending. What is the number one category? The number one category is actually food, and then after that is clothing. So teens spend most in food and clothing, and then music, movies, or events. These are common spending leaks, which are slow and steady drips, such as buying a soft drink for 5 days a week, penalties or fines, needless things such as gym memberships you don't use, paid purchases, or impulse buys. A third one is credit. It's a tool to buy something now and pay for it later. It's loan in exchange for your promise to repay the money later with interest, the amount you pay to use someone else's money, the percent of the principal. But how might using credit become an obstacle to meeting your financial goals? It depends what kind of credit user you are. If you're a transactor, to where you'll pay your card in full after you use it, or revolver, just make the minimum payment and carries on a balance from month to month, could actually see how your financial goals will end up. For example, you have a minimum payment of $20, which looks great, and your balance is $271. However, if you just pay the minimum payment, your $20 will not go towards the full balance. Part of your $20 will go towards the balance, and the other part will go towards interest. Who looks at credit reports? And what are some consequences of having a poor credit score? Now that we're done with this video, please submit the obstacle that you learned from this video and how you could avoid it to your facilitator. Thank you, and hope you guys have a good day.